Thank you for choosing RJ Young for your modern office solutions. In this video, we'll be going over the Formax Mint mailing systems. Load envelopes into the hopper. When loading envelopes, be sure to align them to the rear guide wall. Otherwise, your postage print will be offset. There is also a side guide for holding large envelopes into place. As well as an extending catch tray. Now let's take a look at the control panel. The first box shows your rate and services. Press this to change postage rates. Second box is your date that will be printed. Third box shows your current postage value and weight of mail. Fourth box shows weighing type. Be sure the machine is set to standard to weigh an item. Fifth box indicates if you would like the mint to seal your envelope. The coin icon will show your funds. You may check your funds used and funds available as well. In this screen, you may also add additional funds. Once all options are selected and envelopes have been placed, you may now press Start. Additional envelopes may be added without interruption. Labels may be printed for larger packages. Insert blank labels into the auto label dispenser and place the parcel onto the scale. You will notice the postage amount has been updated on the screen. Press the Print Labels button and enter the quantity of labels to be printed. Press Start. Reset Counter will reset the envelope total back to 0. To check the usage totals, press the menu button and scroll to Reports. You may now select the report needed. To replace the ink, open the cover to the back of the control panel. Press down on the bottom portion of the cartridge and pull the empty cartridge out. Once ready, place the new ink cartridge in the system base. Press the top of the cartridge until it is clicked into place and close the lid cover. To refill the sealing cartridge, pull up on the empty water bottle cartridge, fill back up with water, close tightly, and insert back into the base. Now let's go over paper jam access. There are multiple places for jam access. This includes the mix size feeder, dynamic scale, as well as a jam release handle under the control panel. Again, thank you for choosing RJ Young for technology solutions that power your business.